Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix all Windows Update errors in Windows 11. All right, let's begin. First, open the Start menu and search for Troubleshoot, then click on Troubleshoot Settings. From there, select Other Troubleshooters and locate Windows Update. Click on Run, then choose the option that says you can't download, install, or uninstall an update, and proceed with the automated diagnostics. Allow the system to scan and apply fixes. Once completed, check if the issue is resolved. If the problem continues, open the Start menu again and search for Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type SFC, Scan Now, and press Enter. Wait until the scan reaches 100%, which may take a few minutes depending on your system. After the process finishes, check if the update issue has been fixed. So that's basically how you can fix all Windows Update errors in Windows 11. That's it for this video. Thanks.